Hey lovely people, today we are cooking one of Ghana's most beloved dishes, waakye. If you have ever passed by a waakye seller early in this morning or this afternoon, then you already know the excitement, the long queues, the different size laid out, the rich aroma that fills the air. Waakye is not just food, it's culture. It's the kind of meal that brings the whole family together and keeps you full and satisfied for the whole day. In this video, I'll take my time to show you step by step how to prepare perfect waakye at home. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now let's start with the beans. We're going to wash the beans thoroughly at least 2 or 3 times. This removes any dead stones or chaff that might be hiding in there. Put the beans in a large pot and cover with enough water to help reduce the gas in it, okay? Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. As always, if you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efya. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. So after setting aside the beans, I'll also move to the waakye leaves or sorghum leaves. It can be very dirty, so make sure to wash it very well as well for about 2 to 3 times until it's nice and very clean. And from there we're going to proceed to our next stage. Alright, so I'm going to wash the rest of camera and I'll proceed to the next stage. So moving forward, the beans is ready. After soaking it for about 30 minutes, let's add it to a big pot, and once that is done, I also add in a handful of waakye leaves and a pinch of baking soda. You will notice that the water quickly starts to turn brown. That's the magic of the waakye leaves. Not only do they give color, but they also release a mild earthy taste that makes waakye unique. Cook the beans on medium heat until they are almost soft. Depending on the type of beans, this can take 30 to 40 minutes. The beans shouldn't be too soft yet because we will continue cooking them with the rice later. And so this is after 10 minutes of cooking it. The beans is not ready yet, but as you can see, the color is really popping, and that's what we're looking for, and that's the help of the baking soda as well. Now let's cover it once again and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes more, and from there the beans should be ready. Now after about 20 minutes, as you can see, the color has really popped up very well, and that's what we're looking for. We're going to take one of the beans and press it between our fingers. It should feel tender but still hold its shape. So now, as you can see, it's looking absolutely perfect. All that is left right now is for us to take out the leaves. You can keep it though and cook the rice alongside with it, but I love the color already, so I need to take them out. You can reuse the leaves as well if you want to, okay? So now let's take everything out, and from there we're going to add in our rice. You can also feel free to use any rice of your choice, whether you wash it or not. You can add it, trust me. But kindly wash the rice to remove any excess starch, okay? Now stir everything together very nicely so the rice mixes evenly with the beans and begins to absorb the color. At this stage, check your water level. The liquid should just cover the rice and beans mixture. Add some salt to taste and also a little bit of oil, but this time around I'm using coconut oil to give the rice a very shiny and prevent it from sticking as well. Kindly also take note that if you want your waakye to be very soft, then add in more water. But if you don't want it soft, kindly make sure to add in a little amount of water to get the perfect consistency or texture that you want. Now cover the rice and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. As always, kindly keep an eye on it and check from time to time. Now this is after about 15 minutes. As you can see, it is turning out absolutely perfect, and so let's give it a very quick stir. The rice is not ready yet, so we're going to give it a quick stir to make sure nothing is sticking at the bottom. If the water is almost gone but the rice is still hard, add just a little more hot water. Always hot water, never cold, okay? Because cold water interrupts the cooking process and can make the rice uneven. As the rice cooks, it slowly absorbs the earthy flavor and color of the waakye leaves. This is when your waakye starts smelling like a waakye joint on a Saturday morning. Rich, savory, and very inviting. Now this stage is all about patience. Keep your heat on low and let the waakye steam gently. You want the rice to be soft but not mushy, and the beans tender but not broken. A good waakye is judged by how separate the rice grains are and how well they are mixed with the beans. At this point, if you're still with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. Now the waakye is ready. As you can see, the color, the texture, everything is giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving street style waakye vibes, and I love this recipe so much. All you have to do is to trust the process and you're going to love it. This is Ghana's iconic waakye prepared step by step with love. A dish that is hearty, flavorful, and full of tradition. Whether you serve it for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner, waakye will always bring smiles to the table. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Let me also know in the comment section what you think about this waakye recipe, and I'll be very glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. Waakye is always served with spaghetti, salad, gari, eggs, shito, some zongo stew as well, and some avocados if you have. Okay, now enjoy yourself and stay healthy. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. Until next time, keep cooking with love. Bye.